on a early morning stroll at 6 o'clock in the morning. Noah, where are we? Hawaii! We found the sunrise over the mountains. Alright, we went the wrong way. We're in a strange part of town. There's lots of pit bulls guarding houses. We went the wrong way, but we found lots of flowers for Noah. How many flowers do you have? So many. I'm trying to find a park. Didn't go so well.
But we're gonna find it. Becky's still sleeping for another 3 hours.
Yeah, hey, look at all those flowers. And we found a playground. Who's ready to go to the beach? We made it to the beach. And I'm walking over to the Disney resort to get a hat because I forgot a hat. It's beautiful. We're here! What are we doing? Playing with sand and water. We go swimming. It's so beautiful! Wow, you're burying yourself? Becky and Travis are getting mangoes. Fresh mangoes from the tree. Yummy!
Let's
Say goodnight.